And let's have fun. We have a little trend line here that we could see break to the upside for NASDAQ. We also can see we have strong support resistance zone here, as well as another decent little zone here. And then obviously we'll just mark our highs here for NASDAQ. Now, when I look at US 30, this would be our drop-off zone for sales. We have some definite zone here, and then here as well. I guess you could see, say, highs are here. There's a lot of zones here. We could wait for a couple of them, or if we really wanted to, because I could see on the 5, it's a little stronger. We could pop right into this trade as soon as market opens. Obviously, it's always a little dangerous to do so, but if we have a nice tight stop loss, actually gonna be a 50-point stop loss today, targeting these highs, it's possible. It is possible. It might be worth a shot if this thing wants to just take off on us right off the jump. We could go in for a quick buy. But we have 12 seconds to figure that out. Let me pull up Trading View on my other page here. There we go. All right, 3 seconds left. Let's see if price wants to push up and give us this instant trade. Be prepared. Be prepared. I'm going to go ahead and take a buy. Just like that. Holy shit. My entry is absolutely fucking insane on this trade right now. That was just the most randomest thing I've ever seen. You guys still have time. I know the problem is the delay. I'm gonna hold this for a little longer here. What am I doing? What am I freaking doing? Give it a chance. I mean, I'm not gonna call that target one yet. Absolutely not. That was just way too fast. We need price to move from right here though. Probably gonna take a few trades today, so just be patient. Barely our first one. A lot of volume right now. Trying to keep an eye on this and NASDAQ. NASDAQ also semi breaking out. Put my stops here. Tighter stop. Study. What are we doing? What are we doing? A lot of volume. Stuck in this area. Little doji candle here. What are we doing? There's the target one right there. There's our first official target one. No, definitely not a stop loss, bro. I tell you guys when I get out, man. We barely got people weren't even getting in yet, man. And if it was, then you got to re-enter that. If you see I'm still in it, you got to re-enter that. Target one. Still gonna wait for NASDAQ too. NASDAQ might give us something as well. Give us a little juice. Could be a buying point. US 30's chilling at target one. NASDAQ's in that zone. I think I want to see price push a little further. Let me see. I'm gonna give it a little boosty up here. I think that's too much on this resistance right here. I want to see it push a little harder for now. If we're gonna take NASDAQ. US 30 close around even now. Let's wait for NASDAQ. US 30 is just back down at even. Closing NAS. Oh, I already closed US 30. I don't need to clear it. What am I doing? Shift everything over. That was kind of fast. That was fast paced. Well, wait. I think Nasdaq. Everybody, just relax. Nasdaq should give us something better, a little smoother. Okay. It was an okay trade. It happened fast. It shot up, shot down. Some people entered in better positions. Some people got worse positions. Either way, we broke even, and then target got hit. So let's see. We could actually find a sell position also. It's a nice position here on the five if that wants to push below. Nasdaq kind of chilling right now too. We're not done. We're gonna have a slower position is gonna come in here in a second. Not every position is gonna be perfect for us. Sometimes it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna get crazy, man. If you guys lost on that, hey, it's just a single day, man. We're gonna keep on pushing. You know what I'm saying? We're 9 and you can call it one if you want to call it a loss for yourself. Then we can say we're 9-1. I mean, come on. You got to be profitable on your account, though. You have to be profitable on your account this week. If you're trading with me and Luca and the guys, you got to be profitable on your account. If you're not profitable on your account this week, and when we're 9-1 in the room, there's a serious issue that's happening within yourself and how you're trading. So you got to try to clean that up just a little bit. But it happens. It happens. Like I said, and I'm here for you guys, man. I don't want you guys to ever think I'm trying to judge you or I'm mad at you. I mean, I'm just trying to help you guys at the end of the day. And that's just the way I am, man. I just want you guys to do the right things. I think I don't think I'm necessarily open to US 30 buys right this second. I think I either want a NASDAQ buy or a US 30 or NASDAQ sell. But in terms of a buy, I don't think so. I don't think I'm feeling that. There's so many the problem. I'll tell you guys what the problem is right now. The problem we're having is there's so many zones I can draw. I could draw here, I could draw here, I could draw here, I could draw here, I could draw here. There's so many zones that we can go off of. That's making it a little difficult to really determine which support or resistance is going to be the best. So, let's see. Yeah, that's true. If you blow your account on one trade, I won't judge you. It's true. Because that's just ridiculous. I may want to go sell position. I mean, this is the thing, right? Because I could draw this too as a zone. There's so many zones. It's just fucking annoying. The buying power or buying zones were a little better, but still, we've been consolidating all morning. That's our problem. This consolidation here, not even consolidation, but this wicks, wick. All these wicks is what's really throwing it off. But I'm gonna scoot this over one more time, man. Right there. Fucking hit a 1-to-1. The fuck do we ever hit a 1-to-1, bro? Nasdaq's not doing shit. I got Nasdaq on my other screen. Come on, give us a little something. What do you guys think about my Louis Vuitton car? I actually really like a sell position on this push, by the way. If we can clear through these candles here, I actually kind of like that position. The stop loss is going to be nice and tight. I'm pretty fond of that. We'll see if Price wants to give us that. I know it's starting to look a little crazy on the screen, guys, but this is trading, man. Trading's not always beautiful. It's not always perfect. Sometimes the market's a little crazy, but it is what it is, man. Did I incorporate a humidor into it? Into what? I'm sorry, I'm talking about my Louis Vuitton um McLaren. Shit, I should put a humidor in that too. I've been hitting the fucking I've been hitting the sauna every morning. Feels great. Feels great. So I'm just trying to keep some conversations going, man, because smoke some weed real quick. Just kidding. I don't smoke weed at all, by the way, guys. I smoke cigar. I mean, this is like a little cigarette type shit. Basically a cigar. They call it a cigar with a filter. Basically just a cigarette, I guess. But I do not smoke weed at all. I don't condone it. I don't like it. But I mean, I guess no, I don't not condone it. My fault. I don't care what you do, as long as it doesn't affect you. I like Black and Miles too, but for me, I've been smoking like two, three cigars a day, bro. Just straight chilling, bro. My favorite cigar right now has got to be Rare Pink by Arturo Fuente, or I like Davidoff's a lot too. Signature. I also like when the fucking markets move. Congrats on the new baby mama. That's kind of a funny way to put it. Oh, we're moving up. We're moving up. We're back into our entry zone of our original trade. Well, plus, actually, that thing's moving. That's a high risk setup. I'm not gonna take that buy. I'm not. Look at that. Look how it just got sucked right back down. Not taking that buy. You guys want to see what Nasdaq's doing? Look at this shit, bro. What are we doing right now? I'm telling you, if this thing drops off right here, it's gonna be a nice sell. Especially if we get a fat candle right here to just push through. That's gonna be a fat fucking easy sell, bro. I know it for a fact. We just need it to move, but this is fucking slow. Maybe we gotta go Tokyo session again. What? Zerka? Maybe it's the sign. What's Zarka Cigar Lounge? Where's that at? Never heard of it. Oh shit, hold on. Hold on now. If this thing pushes into entry, bro, we gotta take the sell. We need some volume though. But that's bullshit. What is this fucking candle? Look, same shit. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we don't take the sell because what is this volume? What does volume look like? We had a nice bearish volume come in here though. Big, big, big rejection to the upside. Buyers tried. Buyers are trying. Not working. Sellers are taking over. This candle should be a good indication of where we're going. If it wants to just give us that full push. It's a sell. That's a sell. That's a sell. Holy shit. Man, I hope you guys are able to. I hope you guys can mark the entry up where you're at and take the trade at the right time. Because I know there's a delay. There's a little bit of a delay with the stream. Not just the stream, but trading view in general and everything. So if you guys can mark it up on your DX trade or your MetaTrader or whatever you're on, you guys are gonna get perfect entries because I'm giving you guys the perfect entries. Literally, my entry's a little lower, but it's really not that much lower. Target one got hit. Come on. We get target two. Fuck it. Fuck it. Come on now. Give us some volume. Give us some volume US 30, please. We really need this volume right here bad. We need a massive push. We need this thing to just melt off. I told you guys though, I said if this thing breaks down below, it's gonna melt. Did I not say that? There's a target two right there. Let me ask you guys something. Did I not say that? Did I not say if price pushes right here, we're gonna melt? I've been doing this for a very long time. This is US 30. I've been doing this for a very, very long time. Let me see some W's in the chat for the fact that I fucking call shit out every single time. That's a target three, by the way, about to get hit. Whoa. Come on now. Another day, more droppage, target three. We're really like that. We really do this. We call shit out every single day, and thousands of people get to watch. Come on now. Up 1,000? Yeah, all right, let's get it. It's so fucking simple. I've been doing this for so long that oh man, Nasdaq never gave a shit, did it? Never. Fuck you, Nasdaq. You know, I don't like Nasdaq very much, man. I don't like Nasdaq very much, but target one hit, then we got basically a target three. That is fucking a centimeter. That's a fucking literal centimeter. Um, yeah, I think we're traced after target three, so got to stop it at a target three and a target one. I appreciate you guys coming on here. We're gonna come back for Tokyo session. Kind of a slow sesh, obviously. Yesterday was off. This is what I've realized. I don't know if you guys have realized this. So stay with me. Nobody leave yet. Stay with me because this is important about our trading path this week. Same thing happened yesterday where we couldn't find anything. And then out of nowhere, we have a trade set up very late into the session. We're already 15 minutes into the session. I just made a band, about to pass my funnel. Let's go. So what I'm realizing this week, we're back at target one. I don't have my screen on. We're back at target one. What I'm realizing this week is that it seems as though the markets are going to move slow for the first 15 minutes or so, maybe 20 minutes. Yesterday was 20 minutes. And then we're going to find something. That's what it's looking like for me. It's like the volume's coming in later than it usually has. It's almost like the markets are reacting to the time change. We're back at a target too. But I'm not gonna call. By the way, this is target four, target five. I'm not calling that. I'm done. I got out at target three. That's where we're at. But I'm just letting you guys know if you're still in it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys being here. Simple day. I told you guys it would break if it fell. We're actually about to hit target three again. Yeah, I'll try to be there for Tokyo session. We'll see what happens. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys tonight, tomorrow, and the next day because that's what we do. Peace.